Well, congratulations. You made a great decision on getting the standard free version of VisitorSpy, where you'll be able to uncover the hidden profit leaks on your website that you can only discover if you're watching what your visitors are doing using what we saw under the Watch Visitors tab. So good job with that. However, instead of just weeding through the limited number of pieces of information and stats for just one single website, how would you like to uncover unlimited recordings for unlimited websites, plus get advanced covert spying features that will boost your conversions and explode your list and skyrocket your profits? I know that sounds like a lot of hype, but if you think about what we're offering you here, you can see that you can actually achieve it. And let me show you just a couple of things that come with the Platinum version that you do not get in the free version. First of all, you have unlimited recordings. So all these recordings that we saw over here, you're only going to be able to do so many of them in your free account, and only for one website if you have the standard version. With the Platinum version, you can add as many websites as you want, and you can have unlimited numbers of recordings for each website. Plus, you also get this super cool, super sexy link cloaker. You can take these long affiliate URLs, those ugly URLs, and make them smooth and sexy, and they will get better click-throughs. Plus, you can start tracking every link you send out. No matter how you send it out, you can now create a tracking link quickly and easily using the link cloaker here inside of VisitorSpy Platinum Edition. But some of the most exciting stuff actually happens here under the Track Sales and Actions tab, where you can actually create campaigns and track actions like opt-ins and sales or any other action on your website. And it's just a two-step process. It's not complex. It's not complicated with the Platinum version of VisitorSpy. It's as easy as pie. You click on step number 1 to add a new campaign, and you simply fill in some very simple information about the campaign, like the URL where you're asking them to take the action and the URL where they end up after they take the action. So that is step 1. And then step 2 is you simply start tracking your conversions. It's as easy as that. And you can take a look at your campaign. We've created a sample campaign for you here. So we'll just go ahead and click on View Stats. And you can see, now this is just a sample campaign, so there's actually only one visitor. But you can see how this works. You see the number of visits you had on a particular day, how many of them were unique visitors, and what action or how many actions they took. And then you get your conversion rate also. This is information that most marketers know they're supposed to have, but most of them don't actually have it. And now you have it at your fingertips with your Platinum VisitorSpy account. Plus, check this out. You can actually view the action that your visitors took. You get their IP address, the date and the time, where they're from, what operating system they're using, what browser they're using, and you can actually view the flow chart that shows what happened on the page. This is so cool. This is the page where they came to. This is where they filled in the opt-in form. That's the action that we actually wanted them to take on this page. This is the page they were delivered to after they filled in the opt-in. And then this is what they did afterwards. And notice, by the way, they clicked over to the products section. That's always a good thing. Probably the coolest thing about this tab is you can actually watch the movie of the action that's connected to this particular action session just by clicking on the play button like so. Movie loads up, we press the play button, and we can see exactly what the visitor was doing. They were looking around the site, clicking on various things, and we can watch them as they do it. And we can see what resulted in them filling in that opt-in form. What was the sequence that they took? That is super valuable information because you can get rid of the bottlenecks in any of your websites now using this Platinum version by watching what's holding people up, what's stopping them from opting in, what's stopping them from buying, what's stopping them from clicking on your product descriptions and so forth. Powerful, powerful tools that weren't available at any price until now, until we have VisitorSpy. So let's take a look at one other thing that I want to show you that is also super powerful, and that is the Advanced Reports feature. Now, this is where you can create reports showing you any kind of information you want about your website broken down into however you want it broken down. You just click on New Report, and you can build your custom report right here, showing exactly what you want to include. You give your report a name. You can set a date range for the report by clicking on the calendar. You can include or exclude countries if you want. So for instance, if you just want to know, okay, I want to know about my buyers in Australia, then it's very simple to simply select Australia from the list of countries here and do a report featuring only that country. You can select whether to get information about the computers that they're using, the browser, the operating system, the resolutions or screen sizes. Like how many people coming to my site or what's happening with people who come to my site who only have 800 by 600 resolution, for instance. I mean, these are questions that can mean the difference between thousands or tens or even hundreds of thousands of dollars in revenue for your site. You can have the report feature only certain content from the site, search traffic, direct traffic, referred traffic, and specific goals that you've set up for the site as well. So once you've created your report, you simply get your tracking code and you copy and paste that onto your site. And then you can go back to your reports page after the system has had time to collect a little data and click View Report. And here is your report, and you can watch your flow chart, seeing exactly what's happening with your visitors. And again, you can watch the video just like before. Now, remember, these are features that are only available in the Platinum Edition. And the truth of the matter is, serious marketers, our most successful users of this system, always go for the Platinum Edition because you can watch your visitors' entire buying journey as they move through your website. An unlimited number of websites, an unlimited number of movies of showing what visitors are doing on your websites, just like the ones that we've been watching here. Imagine the power of having this kind of functionality and being able to peer into the minds of your website visitors like this. You can squeeze more profits out of your website without needing more traffic. It'll actually turn and instantly reveal silent, hidden money wells in your website. Think about that. You can get unlimited recordings at your disposal across unlimited number of sites for total control of what's happening with your websites. And this is a hugely effective opportunity to get your product in front of potentially thousands of other people too. And what am I talking about? Well, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this explaining it, but I will show you. It's this viral ad system. If you're a Platinum member, you get to create ads that all of your free referrals, people that you refer to this system who sign up for the free version, and their free referrals and so on, they will all see your ads and your ads only. So all you do is you simply log in here and you click whether you want a slide-in pop-up to show up whenever your free referrals log into the site, or whether you want a video player that slides in when they start watching videos. I'd go for the slide-in pop-up. You click Enable Login Slider, and you type in your ad text here and your subtext here. And you can format it with bold and italics and underline, color, different fonts and so forth. You pick the background that you prefer for your ads, and then you simply save your settings and your ad is good to go. You can preview your pop-up, see what it looks like down here. And those ads are yours to create and modify. So that has the potential to bring you lots of extra money with virtually no extra work at all. But the coolest stuff, of course, is the way you can customize your dashboard and have all the information for all of your sites instantly at your fingertips, only in the Platinum version. How you can watch what your visitors are doing in videos, unlimited videos for unlimited sites. You can cloak your links, you can track your sales and actions, and you can create custom reports that show you exactly the information you want to see. Now, all of this is available to you to use to make more money with your websites than you ever dreamed possible, because you have more information than any other marketer. I mean, you're going to be ahead of 99% of other marketers, but only when you get the Platinum version of VisitorSpy. And it's really a dead simple decision. So go ahead and make the right decision right now. Become a Platinum member and start multiplying the profits from your websites.